Hey friends, Trisha Clark here from Sparkle Farts PaperCrafts. This is my second attempt at this video, and my phone just, I guess, crashed in the middle of it. So I'm here to show you my design team project for May with Be Happy Stationery. This is using her Once Upon a Time kit, and it's 2 paper bags, 2 lunch sacks that I've either cut apart and glued together to create this cute little paper bag journal. So we have this cute little fabric cluster here, and I've added some lace, but this is just images from the kit, and I've got this cardstock strap here, and I've left it quite wide so that you can add and take things out of the journal, and it's what I would call it's adjustable, and it's just sliding inside that paper bag right here. So as we open it, we have this cute little journal card. Can you see her eyes with some glossy accents? I've added some little sprinkles of sparkle in her hair and on the leaves. I need to do that to the front here too with her eyes. But I was waiting till I was done and then honestly forgot. So I need to do that before I sell this cute little nugget. And then we have another little journal card here and a cute little envelope with Prince Charming. And in here, we have a cute little journal card. And that fits right back in this nice big back pocket. And then we have this cute little hidden pocket. And these are all the extras from the kit for anybody who gets it that they want to continue to decorate. And then we get into this signature. And so we've got a few, see how wide these expand? You can put all kinds of stuff in here. But we've got this cute little guy with his little crown. We have our little hedgehog here. And again, this is very fairy tale, storybook themed, Once Upon a Time. And then after that pocket, we've got a couple of pockets here, a little envelope, and this has a little tiny notebook inside of scraps from the kit. Nothing gets wasted, my friends, nothing. All right, put this back in here. We've got a note card back here, and then we start our signature, and it's decorated with pocket and cute little tags and miscellaneous papers and laces. So from lined paper to coffee dyed, I've just kind of used a variety of things with all these cute little princes. Straw paper, a page from my favorite children's book. And then here in the middle of the signature, we have another little envelope flip with a little tag tuck in there, but there's some room for some notebook paper or a little hidden note to yourself or someone else in there. Another cute little journal card with some beautiful lace. These laces are from Two Sisters Jam. If you're not familiar with them, I will tag their group below or their YouTube channel below. They do some great live sales and have an Etsy shop. Then as we get to the end of the signature, we've got another pocket with a note card, another cute little journal card with all the cute little princes. And then the back half of this paper bag, and we've got a couple more journal cards here. He's got his little crown jewels right next to his little castle. I've added some lace and flowers, but other than that, it's all the printables from the kit and just embellishing. Look at the little owl's eyes in his crown jewels. Can you see the glossy accents in there? So cute. I'm having a blast with those. And then we end our signature here, and we've got one last little tuck spot back here. And then in addition to that, we've got this little pocket that's just a slit inside the back panel with some cute little tags. And then the very last thing is this end of the paper bag. We have 2 journal cards back here. We've got another of our little hedgehog. And this is because I was printing in 2 different sizes, trying to find the size that I wanted and decided to go ahead and use them. And then this little prince, we've added a little bit of stickles to his crown and his magic wand. He's adorable. And we're going to stick those back in here. And then we're going to close that up and show you the back with the lace and our little scholar here. And then we're going to close it back up by sliding this right back in here. Let me know what you think. This is sort of my prototype. I've never done a paper bag journal before, but I'm really, really loving her. And I think while we're at it, since we've done the flip through and we're done decorating her, if you haven't used glossy accents, we're just going to put this, oop, oh goodness, there we go. Let's get that back in there, spread it out. And I find that if you use a thin layer, it takes less than an hour to dry, but the dimension that this adds is incredible. You might get a couple of air bubbles. I just keep spreading it out till they're out of my way. And so there are her glossy eyes. And I think, I don't have any bling handy, but I do think she needs some crown jewels, don't you? So I think those will be the last little touches. And this is my design team project for May for Be Happy Stationery using the Once Upon a Time kit. And those will dry. And that just adds another little flair of fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.